Let's try this again. Hello guys. As you guys saw, I went in with my Nature's Little Secret products. All I can say is moisture, moisture. Yes. First, let's start off with what I did. So I did a light pre-poo just with some plain water just to detangle my hair lightly. And I usually do that sometimes, just use plain water, detangle my hair. And the products that I had in my hair before I started to cleanse my hair was my my Carl's Daughter combo that I did a video on. So with the cleanser, let's start with the cleanser. This cleanser right here, Nature's Little Secret Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo made with cucumber juice. And then it has cleanser on the side. This cleanser is so moisturizing. It has great slip. If you want slip for your shampoo, you're gonna have slip for your shampoo, your cleanser. I was able to pull my hair apart like I like to do it. I was able to run my fingers through my hair, massage my scalp, just massage the cleanser in. It made my hair feel nice and moisturized. It cleansed my scalp. It moisturized my hair. As I was cleansing it, I felt that my hair was getting nice and soft and just felt nice and moisturized. I have not seen a cleanser like this. I know you guys, I always talk about my, what's that honey baby shampoo that makes my hair nice and moisturized and soft. I'm going to say this replaced it. Yes, I am going to claim it. This has replaced my honey baby. I have used this multiple times, and every time I use it, it's like for the first time, like, oh my God, this feels so good. My hair feels so nice and moisturized when I apply this cleanser to my hair. I just love all the things that it does when it comes to cleansing my hair with this cleanser here. This cleanser here, you can use it. It's great to use if you clarify your hair and then you want to go in for your second wash with a moisturizing shampoo. This is the one. This one here is going to put the pH balance back in your hair. I have some notes here that I did jot down, and it says, Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo is a sulfate-free, pH-balanced moisturizing shampoo that cleanses hair without stripping away natural oils. Check. Agree. The moisture, the lather, the lather, when it lathered up, it did not feel drying or anything. It felt moisturizing, but my hair felt nice and clean. And it says here, pH balanced, sulfate free, non-stripping, moisturizing shampoo, perfect for all hair types and textures. Check, check. Cucumber juice nourish your hair, promotes a healthy scalp and growth. I don't know about the growth part. I just started using it, but it moisturized my hair. My hair looks nice and shiny after I finish cleansing it or cleansing it. Love this one. I'm sorry. I just love this one here. Good shampoo. If you need to choose a good shampoo, cleanser, you want the moisturizing shampoo, this is a moisturizing shampoo. I don't know any other cleanser that's out there that I have tried, and you guys know I have been through multiple cleansing shampoos. This is the only one that I can say I have found this very moisturizing when applying and will not strip my hair. This is a winner for me. This is not sponsored. I'm just sharing with you what I experienced during my wash day, and that is it. That is it. That's what I love. So after I finished cleansing, I did go in with my Rose Hydrating Conditioner made with rose water. You guys see me use this one here. I have used this one. This is very moisturizing, hydrating. This is protein free. It has the slip. It has the moisture. You can use this as a regular, just a regular rinse out conditioner, or you can use it as a deep conditioner. As you guys saw, I did go in this time with my steamer using this. I just had a nice, relaxing moisture wash day when I used this here and the cleanser. I mean, it just felt so nice to have that moisture day. If you want a moisture day, these two here, a nice, relaxing, moisturizing day with worrying about, oh, is my hair going to be tangled? At least that's what went on that's what happened with my wash day. That's what happened with my wash day. I didn't have to worry about, well, is my hair going to be tangled? I'm going to run into any issues. I didn't have those issues, but I'm just sharing with you that how moisturized these products are. At least on my hair, they felt very moisturizing. And if you go on her website and read her website, it says they are very moisturizing. And by me applying these and using these products, I felt that all of the ones that I have used, they have been very moisturizing and leaving my hair nice and hydrated, and they have nice slip. And that's what's been going on when I use the products there. I have gone in with one of her other products, the Irish Moss. You guys see me do a twist out using that cream. I think I did back to back, a twist out with that cream. Love that cream, moisturizing there. But I wanted to try the Avocado Moisture Cream made with avocado oil and butter. This right here, very moisturizing. As you guys saw when I got out the shower, I did not, while I was in the shower, I did not apply a leave-in. I just cleansed and deep conditioned, and that was it. I guess by me steaming, and after the cleanser, my hair was nice and moisturizing. So I felt that was enough moisture there that I didn't need to apply a leave-in. So that's why I just went in with this one here. And this was very moisturizing. It had nice slip, nice moisture. It did give my hair definition and stuff as I was applying. It made my hair look nice and shiny and healthy. So I did like that. I did want to go in. Yes, I'm going to claim it. My favorite gel. I did want to go in with this gel. And I felt that both of these here paired nicely together. Nicely. This is my day. This is day 3 hair. She is nice and moisturized. She feels nice and soft. She do have the definition. I don't see any frizz yet, but she looks good and she feels good. And let me turn around and show you the back. She looks very good. Love the way my hair feels nice. I don't know what's going on with this little piece right here. She looking pretty wumpy. I think because I wrapped it kind of weird. But yeah. But anyway, this cream here, very thick. And it looks like it's a thick cream. Looks like that. But it's very smooth and very like a light feeling. But it's going to do the job. It is going to moisturize your hair because it feels nice and moisturizing. The scent is, it's not really, I don't really smell anything. It's very, very light. So yeah, I'll put it right back here. Give you a little bit. She already feels good. And I like this cream here. As you know, I have been using it. You can use this cream here as a refresh, or you can use it daily, or you can just use it to style your hair with. It just moisturizes. I usually use it to style. Lately, I've been using it just a little bit, just to scrunch in, just to re-moisturize, because back here always stay matted for me, and it works. Love this one here. Like I said, I don't think it gives you hold or anything, so you might want to pair like a gel or so with it. Other than that, I enjoyed this wash day. Really, really did. I love the products because they don't, especially the ones in the shower that they don't feel buttery and then you feel like your body or your hair is coated or anything. I like that they rinse out nicely, they do the job, and that's it. That's it. Because like I said, I don't feel all buttery and coated with products after using these products here. So love that. Anyway, guys, like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I just enjoyed using those products. They felt good on my hair. My hair did love those products. My hair felt nice and moisturized, nice and soft. So yeah, she always have great sales, just to give you a heads up. So kind of look out for her sales. But anyway, guys, I hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Have a good one. Hi guys, I just wanted to come and show you my day 5 hair, and I wanted to get up in this light here to show you my hair. It's mainly about the moisture. My hair is just so moisturized, so moisturized. Of course, I do have a little frizz day 5, and some of the curls are not really defined because I did use that light hold gel, the Aveda light hold gel, that gives you a nice fluffy look. But it's all about the moisture for me. It's like day 5. My hair is just nice and moisturized, nice and moisturized. Here's the back. Hope you can see it. I'm trying to get up here in the light so you can really see the moisture. But my hair feels nice and moisturized. I only added my oil this morning. As you guys know, I always add the oil, and I only refreshed like a few pieces back here that's hanging back here, because back here usually get a little matted for me. But this cream here is more of pretty much giving your hair moisture. It doesn't really have like a hole or anything. And if you do want to use this this cream here, and you want the definition and you want the extra hold, I'm gonna say maybe use like a stronger hold gel with it. Like I said, I don't mind. I like fluffy hair, so I don't mind that the way it looks. But I am amazed that I have my moisture here, which I've used it before and I didn't pay attention, but I did have the moisture. I said, oh, okay, my hair is moisturized, but my hair is nice and moisturized, so I can go another couple of days with my hair here. Like I said, it gives you the moisture, but don't expect like hold or anything with it. Of course, I've used all the other two products that was very moisturizing too as well. But yes, love, love, love. Yeah. This is my day 5 hair, because usually by day 5, the moisture is either gone or it's starting to leave or it's gone. So, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like up close. Hopefully you can see it good, but yeah, just had to show you that. And even up here, it's not too bad, but like I said, I got a little frizz. Nice and moisturized. Anyway, guys,